Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change display currency on Binance. So I just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in. And what to do, I will just tab on my home icon, which is top left corner bottom. Just tab on it, and from here you will just tap to the top left corner of Binance logo icon. And here you will just tap on the top right corner of gear icon. Just tap on it, and here you will see in settings journal the second option is currency. So you will just tap on this currency. So here you can just change it where your country from. So in euros, in if you are from Dubai, so you can choose the AED, and if you are from Australia, so you can select the Australian dollar. So from here you can just change the currency on Binance easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.